If the bush, 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 if the bush. If subway cars are full of hearts, then someone's probably in. If the bushes in the park grown in the dark, then someone's probably making. If a man with the knife is after his wife, then that might have to do with it. If a man wants the power to build the highest tower, then that's his substitute for. If subway cars are full of hearts, then someone's probably in. The bushes in the park, the bushes in the dark, the bushes in the park. If the bush, the bushes in the park, the bushes in the dark, the bushes in the park. If the bush. Love is such an innocent word, the largest understatement I've heard.